Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check events on the CoookieRun OvenBreak application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can find different buttons, for example the shop, the settings and the messages. Now if you want to check the different events, click to the right side of the screen, the first button, the events, and here you can check the daily gift, the mixed up, dogwood buffer, trail, and others different events. For example, the daily matchup, you can claim different rewards and others. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.